Story time. There is other individuals out there. Myself and Kemba started building wealth through real estate, and I think that what Black folks are missing is what Asians, Caucasians, immigrants all have, this mindset of this is gonna be my starter home. So they buy their first home as their starter home with the intention that I'm just gonna stay here until I can afford something else, and then I will build from there. Where we buy the house thinking, this is it. This is my forever home. This is where I'm going to, build and have reunions. I'm going to pass it on to my family. I'm going to leave it for generations to come. And we've got to start shifting that mindset. We've got to start thinking like others and other communities where they buy homes, and the intention is that after they buy that starter home, they can hold on to it and make it a rental property, make it an Airbnb property. They can, use it to build additional income. They can even use the equity in it to buy their next home. Think about it. We've got to start shifting the way that we think, the way that we look at real estate, the way that other communities are already and have been doing it from time. They've been using real estate as an asset to build wealth, to build families and legacies and generational wealth. Change our thinking, folks. Change the way we see things. Our mindset is what's holding us back.